media ngizambhalela Stark bo WhatsApp ukuthi athumele imali. Ngithi ngiyamtshela Stark ukuthi siphelelwe ngegesi athi yena akanamali. Kodwa come month end ufaka ithombe aphethe utshwala nama-video asetshwaleni. The last time sikhuluma ke sina Star ngoMay sahishana ngoba ngamtshela ukuthi lento ayenzayo iyabheda. Wathi angisiye ubaba wakhe futhi ngimncane wangiblocka ku WhatsApp kodwa ngisambona ku Facebook. Lento yenziwa nguStar ngiyithandi.
Nani. But sometimes your actions or how you carry yourself ikhuluma indaba. Buya Dondoni uyayazi lento ukuthi sinokuthi ke na intombazane mayifuna indoda iyatshikiza, you know that saying.
Yeah.
Yes, you know that saying.
Maybe she can.
Yeah, yes, maybe she carries herself in that manner. Yokuthi ke na mabayibona, but no, this one. Yes, angahlala ngayigcoka izinto ezimfisha zona, but it makes them feel uncomfortable. At least ngabe usiso yi-1, but bongithupho and le story asikaphelelanga. I feel like asikaphelelanga.
Ithi lecturer vele iyamfuna yona izohlakanipha izohleze yenza sure ukuthi I throw ama hints because one is superior kunayo. Therefore angeke ke vele iphume lobala bese iyamtshela. Yabo. Asidluleke lapho umkhulu ke angazidubulo enyaweni because one uma ngabe ukuthi ayimfuni uyobe eseluze the opportunity of having a person who will invest in business and a person who professional because makabe lecturer yakhe which means lecturer in business studies because njengoba esho na ukuthi he's doing business studies, so he would have lost two things. He would have lost an investor and also a person ozomguide in the business. So by the look of things ngathi uyasazi story sakhe umjita because the business is doing well.
Sanibonani, I know ngizwe kahle inkinga, ngiyabonga kwi-platform, ngiyabonga kunina nonke, ngibingelele i-platform abasikuyi platform, ngibingelele uButhokozane, ngibingelele abalapha ezansi. Ngithi yazi yanzima inkinga ngoba inkinga manje sebekhulumile obhuti, ayikho into ongayiphikisa, baqinisile. Kodwa mina engikubuzayo nengikubukayo, if kukuthi indlela abayiqalayo lena ubhuti useqala ngalolunyawo akubonakali kuyinkambo enhle. Into engenza ngisho njalo, siyazi ukuthi abantu besilisa bayalingeka. Kulungile ukulingeka usendleleni ukuyipath yakho kunokuthi akukhona ukulingeka lokho. Uma ngifuna ngingaqondile ukuthenga isicathulo ngibona umuntu ogqoke isicathulo esihle, lokho ukulingeka. Mase ngiyasibuka ngiyasihalela ngize ngithi ngifuna ukuyosithenga, kuhlukile kunokusuka ngiye esitolo sezicathulo ngithi ngiyofuna izicathulo. You understand?
Yeah, but lo my sister mani mtshele hlala naye phasi ukhulume naye yabona. Ukhulume naye futhi ngeke futhi lithando ulibambe ngemntwana. Noma ngabe umntwana ungaba khona kuyenteka ukuthi in the long run yena athi it's fine, umntwana ngaba khona ungasikhiphi isisu. Ungama-advise ukuthi umuntu akhiphe isisu yabona, futhi ungangithreatenisha ukuthi awukhipha isisu. Mina ngavele ngithi ungamane usikhiphe yabona into kanjalo, but umntwana uma ngabe ngewakhe akachubeke ukuthi asale ukuthi relationship yabo i-strong kangakanani, futhi nalo muntu lona ba-reacta kanjani ku-relationship yabo, yayibona le nto le.
Yeah,
Iyahlupha naleyo, but yena angathreatenishwa nje ukuthi hayi mina ngihamba nangemntwana yabona senginemntwana nawe sekumele sala ungithatha sibe serious relationship. Akusinto into kanjalo. Ninenkinto letenda i-relationship ibe strong.
Kodwa ngisho ukuthi
ngimzwile nokuthi athi i-network namhlanje iyamsokolisa ngoba yena ulena eGermany. Ngasho ngathi kukhona abantu kule live kodwa ngingakhulumi ngoba abantu angisuwa ngena
yeah, it's over. Azi lento ngifuna ukuthi siyibuke kanje yani. Ubhuti lo uthanda uShunwenja. Makathanda uShunwenja kusho ukuthi azange aqale lapha kuShunwenja. Mhlambe bacala nje ngalesa Shaka Zulu sokubheka phezulu. Uyabo? okuyimissionary. So manje wathola ubhuti ukuthi khona into ebizwa ngoshunwenje, wase afike ekhaya izama, wathi makayizama wathola ukuthi hayi yena iyamjabulisa, yebo. So useyisi lo manje seyi-10 yakhe Thukuza ukuthi athole lokho kuzojabulisa yena.
That particular manner, it's inappropriate. Blocker loyo muntu, if possible, report that account. I'm definitely sure if 3-4 people report the account, he can be banned from TikTok. But then now, if you do not act, kungako on my comments, I was mentioning good, you have a reputation to protect. So if you're naming that person and he comes back for you, one thing for sure, we know he's very manipulative. He is very good at convincing. So he will come back and act the victim and say, already we've mentioned one side, Oguti, he can come back and say, I was hacked, hey, what, so and so. He can come back and say, no, but I did not mean it in this particular way. He's very manipulative, one thing for sure I know. So you handled it very well. Continue like that. Umblokile, he won't be part of the live. Skubegeni with this panel and these followers and everyone who's within us. If we connect the dots and we see Utubani going forward, it's fine, let it be. But ublokiwe angeke sisambona vele on this live. Let it be like that.
Hi Thokozane, I'm 25-year-old male situated in Gauteng from Mpumalanga originally. I met this 24-year-old female in Gauteng. I was looking for someone who's serious about a relationship and willing to build a family with me and willing to move in with me because I was tired of this thing of staying alone. By that time, a relationship was cruising.
So manje kunalo muntu lo owenza so either uyamuva la because noma sithi akayisemaphoyiseni manje amaphoyiseni okwamanje akusinto esirazi asikhulumeni iqiniso amaphoyisa wethu asemzansi angahamba emaphoyiseni ngeke imncede angeke ancedakala kwamanje just nje ukuthi asuke lapho asuke lo situation leyo but I feel ukuthi nokuhlala A1 she just needs le desperation yakhe le mela stop angabi desperate athanda umuntu ngoba emthanda ngoba behlane ngendlela esona so there's no saying ukuthi naye lo amtholile manje akangena ngakuye ngedesperation as well. She's not saying ukuthi uyamthanda kuphela but mhlambe nakhona ungene ngedesperation usibala kwawe.
Yeah, yazwakala. Fix lana uthi Sibusiso una kuhle Dlamini uyamfakazela uthi
it was on my side which we over, not the other way around. So I knew which I had to work extra special or extra mile to get or to win over, of which I think with a space of 2 years, she was fine, she was good.
Yeah. So izinto zimnandi nibuya nina with Bank from Cape Town or niyachubeka nahlale Cape Town. Tell us about you moving back to Mpumalanga or moving to a different place. What happened to the Cape Town arrangement, you being there for purposes of building RDPs and you found yourself supplying contractors as a Cape Town? Did you ever come back?
Yes, Cape Town buti iminohlalile yena vele wenza ama verification ngase ngiyasala mina ngaqala izindlu benzenza ngedwa bese ngihlala ngedwa yena bese hlala Witbank because we had an office
straight ungumuntu opheleleyo xa isemakhaya nathi siyamazi ungubhuti sihamba sonke which means ke ngoku so which means ke ngoku and futhi ke ngothina kulula ube masibamkele ngoba abanye sifunda nabo apha and siyabazi abantu be okay baphila lempilo and abanye abazifihle just because thina kulula ube misunderstand because siphila kule environment nje na vele siyayamkela thina lona and esibasifunda siyakwazi uadapta nakweyiphi impilo ngo because siyakwazi uunderstand sisuke ke ngoku siphinde emakhaya abazali bethu esisuka kubo abazazi bona izinto kaloku and futhi ke ngoku abafundanga uyayazi ingqondo yomuntu ongafundanga sometimes iqine kanjani akululanga nje futhi nomconvince oku.
I'm a female, I'm a lady, uyangi respect noma ngabe ngiyakufuna but I won't be that cheap to you.